Hey guys, what's up? So today we show top of search keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first key is called Social Composer, and it's a quick and efficient way to use your social skills. So you can quickly write messages, mails, tweets, share posts, share or post any photo and text in your social media apps, any from anywhere on your device. Design your own grabber and view position, change the order of the apps, and view. So pretty cool. This is called Icon State, preserve custom icon layouts between reboot. This is a theme called Simple Status Bar, and Modern Simple with Maintained Simplicity. That's what it looks like. This is called D&D My Recording. Enables Do Not Disturb when a screen recording is initiated. After the recording ends, the Do Not Disturb is returned to the state it was beforehand. To use this tweak, make sure that your Do Not Disturb settings are always set to always and not to only while the device is locked. So just was updated, supports iOS 14. This is called EQE, and it's a system-wide parametric equalizer. Supports iOS 7 to 14. Checkra1n is recommended. So yeah. You have a video on it, and you have some screenshots of it. This is called Begoncia, control your privacy. So it lets you control your privacy by giving you a control center toggle to enable and disable your microphone, camera, and GPS. This is called Keros 2. So as you grow, you can schedule your messages with this tweak. And this is called Keros, simple message scheduling for iOS. This is called TikTok God. So you have these features right here with TikTok. This is called Twitch No Ads. You have these features right here with Twitch. This is called Day In and Tidal Way Stock. So it provides a completely new and modern looking notification banner experience. We're adding many new features in the process. It's highly customizable. This is called Board Banner. It's used for notch devices. Please check out if your device has notch before purchasing. It brings notifications. Banner concepts by Steve Swarm. Only supports devices that has notch. So these three style options right here. Troubleshooting. This is called Neon Board, and it's like a theming tweak for iOS 7 to 14. This week is called A Font, and try scroll screenshot to the left to see more screenshots. So it allows you to change your font on your iOS device. This is called CarPlay Enable. Using the application with CarPlay, supports iOS 14 and up. It includes while the device is locked, does not support DRM content, and supports running multiple apps at the same time. You can run one on your device and run on CarPlay. This is called Translamatic, quickly translates any text. This is called Quick ANC, simplifies the way you switch between transparency and noise canceling mode before you have to go through the control center and then toggle between the different modes. With this week, it's just one tap away. This is called Aperturize, requires dual camera phones. So if you have an iPhone XS, simply because they can adjust that beautiful blur called bokeh on portrait mode photos. Then you spend $800 to get them. This brings an adjustable depth for portrait mode pitch to dual camera iPhones. This is called Reprovision Reborn, and undertaking the reprovision, it's like updated reprovision. It supports iOS 9 to 14. Allows you to resign your apps so you can use them in a non-jailbroken state. It's like an all-store alternative. This is called Yana and Strawberry Cupcakes at upcoming events, notes, and weather in your control center. This is called Wi-Fi passwords list, or Wi-Fi passwords. It shows you the connected Wi-Fi passwords you connected to. This is called Nano Banners, Segutia, requires at least iOS 14 above. Means notification banner as a compact as a status bar. This is called Super Recorder X Plus, and allows you to record any phone call or voice change any audio device without using this external service. So make sure you guys do read and comply with the legal notice. If you guys do not, me or developers will take responsibility if you guys use this tweak. So make sure you guys follow the laws in your state, county, or wherever you guys are at. This is called SM Server to send text from your browser. This is called Lib SM Server, and it's a tweak that you need to use SM Server with. So you need to install this to use SM Server. This is called Flex3 Edit Patches. You can add units and edit downloaded patches. This is called iDNS. This is called iKey Swipe, and configure options from settings. Change the keyboard by swiping up and down. This is called Complications, brings Apple Watch widgets to your iPhone's lock screen. This is called Milky Way 3, and it's the most advanced tweak for multitasking. You can multi-window mode, resizing each window, minimizing windows, open app as a window from 3D touch, and you have camera support. This is called Good Wi-Fi, Better Wi-Fi Preferences, removes RSSI limits, show no networks, and show MAC address. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. And the last week is called Pinheads, and with this tweak, It allows you to have like those pinheads, like iOS 14 feature, and older like devices, which is iOS 13. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.